안녕하세요, 제 이름은 남입니다. Hi, it's Nami. Today I'm going to try purple shampoo on my hair to try to make it look a little bit more blonde and silvery. Right now it's looking a little bit yellow. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use purple shampoo and purple mask, so let's go. It's been a few days since I've actually shampooed my hair, so I'm going to shampoo it until I get a really good lather. I might have to shampoo it twice. And I'm shampooing all the way to my ends so that I can put this purple shampoo on my ends too. Ooh, you foggy. I've got a good lather. And I'm gonna apply the purple shampoo. I'm using Vinola's No Yellow shampoo. This is the free version, which is the vegan version. And you are getting foggy again. I'm gonna apply this to my hair. Oh. And the top of my head. My nape. Lather it up, distribute it well. I'm gonna apply it to my ends. Ooh, purple. The other side. I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes. Hope that it works its magic. Foggy. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on my ends because I want it to be toned. Okay, Smurf Nami coming through. It's been 10 minutes and I'm bleeding purple from the top of my head. I'm gonna rinse this out. Ugh. Holy purple. Wow, there's a reason why this is my favorite purple shampoo. This is why. No wonder it says leave on for 1 to 5 minutes and I left it on for 10 and look at this. It's clinging. Wow. We're gonna do the no orange mask because I have bits of orange and I didn't think that purple will cling to the orange because the orange is a little darker, and I also have more orange like down here, so I don't want it to turn green if my, well, it might turn green if I add blue. Should I forgo this? Maybe I should just put it on my roots. Just on my roots. Because if I put it on my ends, I feel like my ends are gonna turn green if if I add too much blue to them, because my toner was already quite blue and my hair turned out a little bit green ash blonde, but not the ash blonde that I wanted. Ash blonde, like more like weird ash blonde, like khaki, too khaki. So I'm gonna leave this in for, it says 3 to 5 minutes. How long should I leave it in for? Hands look good though. I'll just put my other hair mask in my JVN. This is a moisture intense hydration hair mask called Nurture from JVN. I'm gonna put this on my lengths. So we killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I know this might look like I'm using a lot, because I am using a lot because my hair is damaged. I'm just gonna put this all over my ends. Let it soak in. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes starting now.
And I'll be back when my hair is dry. This is what my hair looks like with the purple shampoo. I actually think it looks okay. The bottom is definitely more neutralized, but there's a little bit of clinging right where I have my over-processed hair. Kitty cat. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I like the results. I definitely wouldn't do another layer because of the extra silver that my hair turns up here, but I might do like another round of bleach actually, just to get my hair all the same tone like this. That's it, and I'll see you in the next one.